Hi, my name is John Higgins. I'm the Senior Editor of Electronics and AV here at Reviewed, and today I'm going to be reviewing the Bose Smart Soundbar 600. The Bose Smart Soundbar 600 comes in at just under $500. Its dimensions are 2.2 inches tall by 27.3 inches long by 4.1 inches deep, and it weighs 6.9 pounds. The bar has 5 speakers, 2 that fire out of each side, 1 in the center pointing at the listener, and 2 that fire up at the ceiling for Dolby Atmos that provide height to the sound. Speaking of sound, in addition to Dolby Atmos, the 600 supports Dolby Digital, Dolby True HD, and Dolby Digital Plus sound formats. In addition to the soundbar, in the box there's a small remote, a power cable, an HDMI cable, and an optical cable. You'll need to download the Bose Music App from your device's app store for full setup and Wi-Fi connectivity. There are 2 touch buttons on the top left to mute the Amazon Alexa mic. A red LED will show when it's muted. And there's 1 to access Alexa. All other controls are done with the small included remote or through the Bose Music App. So what do we like about the Bose Smart Soundbar 600? Well, it delivers big sound from a small bar. The Bose Smart Soundbar 600 is a compact soundbar, but its small size belies its big sound capabilities. In my 18 by 12 foot living room, I rarely found the need to go past 30% on the volume slider, so it could easily fill a larger space than mine. Sound was full and present, without any harsh overtones. And when I did increase the volume during testing, sound fidelity held strong without any breakup or crackle. It's not just the volume though. Thanks to its 2 side-firing and 2 up-firing speakers, the Bose's soundfield has great width and height for its size. The soundbar also handled dialogue with ease, even during movies with big dynamic ranges. If you still have trouble hearing the dialogue, there is a dialogue mode toggle in the audio portion of the app to further accentuate vocals. Setup and everyday use is easy with the app. The time from when I grabbed my box cutter to the Bose Smart Soundbar 600 producing sound in my living room was less than 15 minutes. The bar is easy to handle, comes with all the necessary cables, and once it's plugged in and the app is downloaded, the automated setup consists of a few questions and you're done. For day-to-day use, the Bose Music App is always one of the easiest to use. It includes some further settings if you want to add Alexa, Chromecast, Bose's voice for video that allows you to control your attached TV or cable box with your voice, and it works pretty well. Or for connecting a pair of headphones for late night TV watching without disturbing housemates or neighbors. Now let's talk about what we don't like. It could benefit from a subwoofer. The sound from the Bose is certainly big and full, and there's surprising low-end clarity from such a small box, but it lacks the physical rumble from explosions or a foreboding low brass exclamation that can really draw you into a movie. For many with neighbors, this might actually be a benefit, but for those that desire more thump, a subwoofer is an absolute must. Bose offers the base module 500 for an additional $499 that can be easily added through the app, but that makes the Smart Soundbar 600 system a few $100s more expensive than its competitors. There's also no room correction. As mentioned earlier, 2 major benefits of the Bose Smart Soundbar 600 is its ease of setup and excellent out-of-box sound. But one of the reasons setup is so quick and easy is the lack of any room correction. The soundbar does perform incredibly well, but being able to run room correction could bring that to another level and help rooms that have strange angles or lots of reflective things on the walls. It could also lend consistency to different seating positions. The Soundbar 600 has a decently sized sweet spot that gives the person directly in front of it and those on either side of them a similar experience. Anyone sitting too far off access, though, will lose some width from the sound image. My ears adjusted while sitting in those positions, but the experience wasn't as immersive as when I sat closer to center. So overall, the pros are a big sound from a small bar, setup and everyday use is easy with the app, where the cons are that it could benefit from a subwoofer and there's no room correction. So should you buy the Bose Smart Soundbar 600? Yes. Its Atmos performance is excellent for the price. Many of us want the most immersive, best sounding speakers we can get, but don't have the space or money for large systems to deliver that experience. The Bose Smart Soundbar 600 delicately balances those space versus performance needs. It adds in the extra excitement of a larger sound field without the need for a bunch of extra speakers and the cost that comes with them. If you do want to increase the performance down the road though, it's easy to add a sub or surrounds later through the app. For a great sounding and easy to use soundbar for under $500, Bose takes the top spot with their Smart Soundbar. For the full review, you can go to reviewed.usatoday.com. Thanks for watching.